Hello out there, all my medical billing and coding students. I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself. My name is Marcy Wilson, and I'm your medical billing and coding career services representative. I've been with the company a little over 2 years, and I'm thrilled to now be serving in career services. I am here to help you develop your skills and the contacts necessary to start you off in your new career. I will do that by assisting you in your career search as well as with resume and interview skills. As you can see here, my contact information is listed. My phone number is 918-610-0027, and my email is mwilson@communitycarecollege.edu. Also, please don't forget to connect with me on Facebook under Marcy A. Wilson. You will be meeting with me 8 weeks before your graduation to start getting prepared for graduation and your job search. If you have any questions in the meantime, though, do not hesitate to reach out to me. The more I get to know you, the better it will be for us to find you the right employment. I look forward to working with you, and we'll talk to you soon. Thank you so much, and have a great day.